आरोग्य समस्या, शेती, पर्यावरण संरक्षण अशा जागतिक समस्यांमध्ये जैव तंत्रज्ञानाची भूमिका मोठी असल्याचे डॉक्टर अरविंदजी म्हणाले. ते शनिवारी राजा लखमगौडा विज्ञान महाविद्यालयात जैव तंत्रज्ञान करिअर पथ आणि उद्योजकता या विषयावरील एक दिवसीय राष्ट्रीय कार्यशाळेच्या उद्घाटन प्रसंगी बोलत होते.
Keep it in front of the college. That's a wonderful business idea. That's a wonderful business idea. You need not be a biotechnologist, means you should be speaking microbes only. Correct, no? If ultimate goal for going for job is what? Earn money. Is there any other motive you guys have? Any other motive you guys have other than earning money? You wanted to be Ambani or something like that? You know what is the starting salary for a BSc biotechnology student in an industry? 20. How many of you are 20,000? Raise your hands. 25,000. 25,000. One. Okay. If anybody is less than 15,000, anybody? What is the starting salary for a biotechnology BSc graduate or MSc graduate? 15,000? Please raise your hand. 15,000? 12,000? 12? 10? Oh, I think you guys are all in fridge only, I believe. In Bangalore, if you come, the starting salary for a BSc graduate is 8K. It's a hard truth. I don't know whether you guys are knowing or not knowing. Now you tell me how many of you want to go for job? Please raise your hand. Huh? Is there MSc students are here? MSc? No. Starting salary for an MSc candidate is 12K. We have in our own company, we have MSc candidates, 2 candidates who joined with 10K at 2 years back. 10K. If you go to Biocon, they will tell you are a fresher, you need to undergo training for 1 year. For 1 year, we will give you 8K.
आरोग्य, कृषी आणि पर्यावरण संरक्षण यासारख्या जागतिक समस्यांमध्ये जैव तंत्रज्ञानाची मोठी भूमिका आहे. उद्योजकतेसाठी जैव तंत्रज्ञानाचा वापर करत असताना उद्भवणाऱ्या समस्या आणि त्यावरील उपाय यावरही त्यांनी मार्गदर्शन केले. यावेळी कार्यक्रमाच्या अध्यक्षस्थानी महाविद्यालयाचे प्राचार्य डॉक्टर GS कवडेकर तसेच प्रमुख पाहुणे म्हणून अरविंदजी उपस्थित होते. संकल्प शिंदे, कन्नडम्मा न्यूज नेटवर्क, बेळगाव.